Shane, you've been shooting this out of a cannon for 2 to 3 years. Give us a state of where you all are in regards to zero trust architecture.
Oh, we're done. Of course. I know. We're not even close. Good afternoon, Luke, and thanks for having me on the show today. I'm really excited to be here. We actually, oddly enough, USCIS by accident mostly, started down our zero trust journey in 2016 or so. And we're structured the zero trust for a number of different reasons, primarily because I really don't like the term. But we, as a cloud-heavy organization, quickly recognized some of the value that cloud offered us in terms of what we can do from a security front. And begin implementing much of the technologies that go into play, especially some of the core technologies, some of the key aspects that you're going to need to even begin down your zero trust journey. And so we started doing that early on. We got single sign-on right. We got that 100% across the board. We got role-based access right. Got that done 100% across the board. And we had all these things in place. We got our secret management solution in place. We began automating our certificates. We begin, the security program, we began heavily investing in automation, and big data sort of solution. And so all these things were sort of pre-zero trusty things that you need to have done before you begin tackling these big pillars. And so when the order dropped, one, it wasn't terribly out of line for where we were already heading. So that was useful. But that being said, there are aspects of it that we are still going to be working at and going to be working at for some time. But I think in terms of where we are today and where we're working towards, I think from much of the networking pillar and the data and the user pillar, identity pillars, we are well on our way there. In many ways, we will easily beat the 2024 due dates. But in other areas, we're going to be like many agencies, still trying to push that envelope and trying to figure it out. Data in particular is going to be a particular challenge, I think, for everybody, but for USCIS in particular, given the volume of data we're talking about in a forever changing landscape of immigration. So, you add all that together and, I think we're in a good place. I wish we were further along. I wish we had more resources. I wish we had more funding, but I think that's a wish that goes across the board.